sketch the parent function and then sketch the given transformation. So first, I'm going to sketch the parent function, which here it's just 2 to the x. So on the side, I can do some scratch work, and I can begin by plotting f of 0. Now f of 0 is going to give me 2 to the 0 power, and then that's just going to be 1. So at 0, we're going to plot 1. Then I can do f of 1. And in order to evaluate f of 1, we're going to replace x with 1. So here we get 2 to the first power, and then that's going to give me 2. So at 1, I'm going to go all the way up to 2. And let's do a few more. So I'm going to do f of 2 and f of 3. So if I plug in 2, I'm going to get 2 to the second power. And 2 to the second power is going to be 4. If I plug in 3, I get 2 to the third. And then that's going to give me 8, since 2 times 2 times 2 is going to give me 8. So at 2, I'm going to go all the way up to 4. And at 3, I'm going to go all the way up to 8. And now I can kind of see what the parent function is doing. I'm getting a really nice sketch of this graph. So let's try -1. So f of -1, we're going to get 2 to -1, which is just 1/2. So at -1, I'm going to go to 1/2. And here I'm just going to create a sketch now. This would be the graph of f of x equal to 2 to the x. And again, this is just a sketch. Now I want to shift this function, and here are the shifts. I want to move 2 to the left, and I'm going to go down by 4 units. Now recall that whatever we do to x, whatever we do to whatever's inside of the function, that's going to dictate if we go to the left or if we go to the right. So if we add by some quantity, we're going to go to the left. If we subtract by some quantity, we're going to move to the right. So here, since I'm adding by 2, I'm going to go to the left 2 units. So let me write that down. I'm going to go to the left 2 units. And now, whatever happens at the end, if we add, we're going to go vertically upward. If we subtract, we're going to go vertically downward. Here, we're subtracting by 4, so I'm going to go down 4 units. I'm going to use these points, these main points, let me do them in red, to move this function around. So beginning at this point right here, I'm going to go 2 units to the left, and then I'm going to go down 4 units. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm going to land at the coordinate 1, 4. I'm going to grab the next point, so the same thing, 2 units, 1, 2 to the left, and then 4 units down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to land on the origin. I'm going to repeat this process 2 more times with these 2 points. So to the left 2, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at -1, -2. And then finally, I'm going to grab this point, 2 units to the left, and go down 4 units, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and -2, -3. And here, I can already see that this sketch of this graph is going to be somewhere, something like this. The sketch of this graph is going to look something like this. And that would be a g of x.